Hey, you can hear me, brother. Listen, there's only one way to release me and myself. Beat all their games. The games, so they're the reason I'm trapped inside this tape. And don't lose these games, or maybe you'll get trapped too.